Nike is preparing a fresh take on the Air Max 90 for fall 2025, introducing a bold Croc skin makeover. Although the Air Max 95 has dominated this year's spotlight, the Air Max 90 maintains strong presence in the sneaker scene. Croc textures have recently surged in popularity across brands, surfacing not only in Nike's Dunks and Air Force Ones but also in Vans and New Balance 1906 loafers. This edition highlights a black Croc skin mudguard with black accents on the outsole, heel, eyestays, and midsole wedge. To offset the darker tones, the design uses tumbled white leather on the collar and toe box, paired with a fossil quarter and a richer desert khaki swoosh. The finishing touch includes sail tones on the insoles, tongue, and leather tongue tag. While official looks are already circulating, Nike has yet to announce its release date.